Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to play Elevate on your browser. First of all, open your browser and write the Momo player. Then in the first uh, link, click on it and download this emulator. This is just a regular or a normal Android emulator to make you or to give you the access to play or to play Elevate Brain Training. So then you will go to your browser and search for Elevate Brain Training uh, and Elevate and add the APK so you can just download the APK version. Click on the first uh, link and then just download the APK. I already have downloaded this one, so I won't do it now. Then you will go to your Momo player that you have just downloaded and you will click here on plus the sign or the plus icon and install APK. Here you will find the Elevate and it will start installing our application. Or you can just go to the epicenter of this emulator and click on it and search for Elevate and you will find it and just download it and install it. Now we will access to the Elevate application and as you can see now we are able to play with the Elevate Brain Training application. Just click get started. And here you will see that the application is well functioning and continue and we can uh, use it fluently without any problems. You can just click on skip, skip, skip and just choose anything. And as you can see, our application is working very well and you can sign up with Facebook or Google or even choosing your another email and have sign up and create your account. So this is how you do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.